Phenolic compounds in onions prevent artery disease, coronary and anti-cancer properties. Although onion peel is inedible, it gives you these amazing benefits. There are several ways to use onion peel. Here are some of the best ways to make the most of onion peel. Onions are one of the most commonly used vegetables in the world, which speaks a lot about their unique taste and numerous health benefits. Yet all of us throw away the onion skin before adding it to our meals. Well, we will today persuade you to never do it again. Multiple studies have shown that onion shell is high in antioxidants, even more than the onion itself, and it significantly boosts overall health. The brown outer layer is a rich source of antioxidants, dietary fiber and flavonoids, which promote skin health. Additionally, the onion skin is high in a potent pigment known as quercetin, which prevents clogging of arteries and reduces hypertension, has powerful sedative properties and treats insomnia. Furthermore, it has powerful antibacterial, antioxidant, anti-cancer and antifungal qualities. The main ingredient in the skin of the onion, quercetin, is a potent flavonoid and antioxidant which destroy the main culprits for cancer, free radicals. Studies have shown that the skin is rich in insoluble fiber, which supports the proper peristaltic movements of the colon. Furthermore, the insoluble fiber eliminates the accumulated toxins from the intestines, regulates the pH values, and prevents the formation of cancer cells. The incorporation of the onion skin into the diet will lower the risk of type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, gastrointestinal problems, obesity, colon cancer. The skins can be added to various stews and soups. We will provide the recipe for onion skin tea, which will be a great way to enjoy all these benefits. Initially, store the skins in a glass jar. Then pour boiling water over several onion skins, cover and leave them to soak for 15 minutes. Then strain the tea and drink a cup of it at bedtime. Note, the use of the skins is not recommended for pregnant women and nursing mothers. You should be sure to use organic onion peel because other types contain pesticides that harm your health, and also if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Do not try to use these methods because it can result in irritation of the skin.